Hey y'all, Will Healy here, and I'm at Battle of Florence today, and I'm excited to show you this project that I worked with our co-ops on a few years ago, but it's still very relevant, and it is showing the breadth of technologies from the IO-Link Consortium. There's over 300 manufacturers that make automation components that talk the IO-Link network, and remember, IO-Link was designed to be USB for industrial automation, so it's to help machine builders build machines faster and to help end users and manufacturers actually troubleshoot and use devices, smart devices, easier and to be able to get uptime quicker. So the devices you see behind me, there's all kinds of different things from vacuum generators to pneumatic valve manifolds. You see electric grippers. You see, of course, an electric needle gripper or a smart light indicator. There's an ATI tool changer there that has IO-Link integration. On the other side of me, you see things like a Siemens motor contactor or discrete I/O or analog I/O or low voltage switchgear or safety I/O or industrial RFID. And then there's all kinds of IO-Link smart sensors that are available to help us get diagnostics from the device and process data and event warnings from the devices for lots of different industries, from discrete manufacturing to process sensors. And so those 300 plus manufacturers making 60 plus different technologies really gives IO-Link this really powerful value for you as a machine builder or as a manufacturer. So I'll link to a couple of resources down below so you can see some of these things in action, and I hope you have an awesome day.